Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this arched frame from Dollar Tree as well as some buttons. This frame is actually a mirror. I had already removed that. I'm taking the backing out and tracing it out on some scrapbook paper I got from Hobby Lobby. I add Mod Podge to the insert from the frame. Make sure that is fully covered. Place down the scrapbook paper. Smooth it out with my hands at first, and then I'm using my heat tool to dry that. And then sand off any excess paper. Next, I place that back into the frame and add back in those screws. And then flip it over, and I'm adding these large buttons. A lot of these came in a set of a jar of buttons from Walmart, and others are just ones I had in my stash. Once I have my circle set up of my larger buttons, I hot glue them into place, and then add some smaller ones and hot glue those down. I then add some even smaller ones and place those throughout, again hot gluing those into place. I use my heat tool to get rid of any excess hot glue strings hanging around. And then I'm making a small bow out of some muslin fabric that I got from Amazon. I just had cut about a 1-inch strip and then tore that piece. And then a smaller piece I wrap around the center of the loop I had made and trim up those tails. Next, I'm taking some rusty bells I got from Amazon. I string some twine through the bell, add some tacky glue on the knot, and then again where I had cut it just so that knot doesn't come apart. I kind of eyeball the length that I need for the other bell. I want one to hang down a little bit further than the other. And then once I have that, I make the knot on that one and add the tacky glue again. I then hot glue that to the top of the buttons, and then hot glue the bow on top of that. Now this frame didn't come with a stand, so I took one I had removed from a previous project, held it up to the back, and marked where I needed to glue it. And then added some hot glue to the little hinge part and placed it down right below that marking, and then just held it into place until that glue set. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.